Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about 1 rupee coin collection. So 1 rupee coin collection from starting, that is the commemorative circulation coins which are printed from the year and to the till the current print. I'm going to explain you. So as I discussed yesterday regarding the commemorative coins, the commemorative coins are printed on some occasions. For example, birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose, death anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru, or food agriculture organization regarding the food and food safety. So there are few occasions where the coins will be printed and it will be left to circulation, and there will be like circulation, print proof, and uncirculated coins. There are three types of coins, that is proofs or something where it is high finished. Yesterday as I explained, it's high finished. And UNC also similar to the proof, but the finish won't be as good as the proof. And circulation coins are, it is a UNC which is not circulated called as UNC. When it comes to a market and when it started circulating on the people, it is called as circulation coins. So we'll go ahead with the details. So here is the first, like 1 rupee coin, that is a commemorative coin which is printed in 1962, and the same coin is printed till 1974. So this is printed on the occasion of FAO, that is the Food Agriculture Organization. So this is printed, and this is the nickel 10 grams. It weighs 10 grams and size of 28 mm. And this is printed from 62 to 74 years. That is the 12 years it's been with the same coin has been printed. And next comes the Jawaharlal Nehru 1964. That is the death. See, you can see here the death anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. So it is printed in 1964. And next is 1 rupee Mahatma Gandhi coin, which is created, minted on the occasion of birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So next 1 rupee coin, which is minted in between 1975 to 1985. So that is 1976, 1975 to 85. That is, as I told, FAO coin. That is also, which weighs of 8 grams and 28 mm. And 1 rupee coin, that is an FAO coin 1983 to 1991. The same coin is printed. So the mints, as I yesterday told you, there are three types of four types of mints. Mint is going to happen. That is, one is in Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, and Noida. So all these mints will be there, and few are rare coins in those mints, because the rare will be considered based on the number of prints. For example, if they have printed 10 lakhs of coins, but the Noida where they printed only 5,000 coins, so only the 5,000 coins will be very rare coins. So based on the mint number of mints, and also how many the quality of the mint, so based on that the cost may be increased, and even the error coin cost also will be more. So next is 1985 1 rupee, that is on the occasion of youth year they have minted. This is of 6 grams and 26 mm. And next one is 1 rupee FAO. Again, it's FAO coins, the small farmer copper, where the farmers are planting the rice grains. So that is in the field. That is minted in 1987. It is also one of the rare, because it's been minted very less numbers. And next one is 1988. It is an FAO coin. It is rain-fed farming copper nickel, rain-fed. So where you can see the rain and the ladies feeding, farming. So that is the rain-fed in 1988. It's been minted. And 1989 Jawaharlal Nehru, on the 100th birth anniversary of Nehru, they have minted a coin in 1988. It is also a copper nickel coins. And the coins which are minted in 1989 to 1990, here are the coins. The 1 rupee FAO 1989, the food and environment, on the occasion of food and environment, the World Food Day. So they have minted this 1989, and on 1990, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Ramji Ambedkar's coin is being minted. So, and next one is 1 rupee ICDS anniversary, that is the 15th anniversary of international. It is the 5th anniversary of Integrated Child Development Service. On that occasion, in 1990, 1 rupee coin has been minted. The next is in 1990 and 1991, three varieties of coins are printed. So one is the SAR year, the care of girl child in the year 1990, and World Food Day again with different images in 1990, and the Rajiv Gandhi coin in 1991. So these are the three coins which are minted in between 1990 and 1991. So again in 1 rupee coin, so you can see the Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference in 1991, and tourism year in 1991, and stainless steel coin from 1992 to 2004. It's been minted in all the four centers, that is Mumbai, Noida, Calcutta and Hyderabad centers. All the four centers, they have minted these coins. In 1992, in between 1992 and 1993, there are three coins being minted. One is 1992 to 1993, 50th anniversary of Quit India movement, that is the British force withdrawal. So on the occasion of that, the 1992 to 1993, that's 2 years, it's been printed. It's been minted. And in 1992, again the Food Agriculture Organization, that FAO, on the occasion of FAO, the World Food Day, so it's minted on 1992. And next in 1993 we have Indian Parliamentary Union Conference. On that occasion they have minted in 1993, which is a copper, nickel and 26 dia. And 1994 to 1997, again the three coins you can see, that is National Year of Family 1994. You can see the family, the two parents and a child. It's printed with National Year of the Family, which is been in the English as well as in Hindi. It's been printed on the coin. And 1 rupee coin, World Tamil Conference. You can see the World Tamil Conference with Saint Tirunavarlur, which is being minted in 1995. And in 1997, you can see the Central Jail, Port Blair, which is minted. So it is of 25 and stainless steel, 1 rupee coin. And in 1999 to 2003, so these are the three different coins which are circulating. These are all the circulating commemorative coins. The Saint Daneshwar, the stainless steel coin in 1999, and 2002, the 100th anniversary birth of Jai Prakash Narayan in 2002. It's a stainless steel 1 rupee coin. And Maharana Pratap 1 rupee in 2003, it's been minted, which is also a stainless steel coin. And 2003 to 2006, you can see Veer Durgadas in 2003, which is of stainless steel coin, and 1 rupee 150 years of Indian Post on occasion of 150th anniversary of Indian Postal Service. So on 2004, it's been minted in stainless steel. Again, the Unity in Diversity 1 rupee coin from 2004 to 2006, you can find the stainless steel mint. And 2007 to 2019, the 1 rupee coin with thumbs up. 2007 to 2011, the same coin with different year has been minted in all the four centers. And Platinum Jubilee of RBI, this is the stainless steel. Again, it's also minted in copper also, in 2010, that is the 75th anniversary of Reserve Bank of India. And in 2011 to 2019, the stainless steel coin is being minted. And as you saw, these are the mints you have find, and few of the rare coins based on, as I told you, based on the quantities, and if there is any change or difference. So based on that, the coin cost will be cost will be calculated. So here is a few, two coins I'm just showing you. That is the 1 rupee coin 1991 mint, and it's in Noida. You can see the dot uh, below the year. The dot is the Noida mint, and it cost around 30,000 of UNC, that is the uncirculated coin, and 20,000 for extra fine, very fine mint, and 10,000. Extra fine mint is 20,000, and 10,000 is very fine mint. So similarly, you can see the 1982, which is also a Noida mint. It's cost around 40,000 for UNC, 30,000 extra fine mint, and 20,000 for very fine mint. See, we regularly see the coins where we just, use it for the circulation, but we don't know the numismatic value of the coin. So, when you start knowing about the coins, you'll come to know about the value of the coins. So, and also, when you are free, collect these coins and have a frame of the coins, and you can show it to your family, friends, and you can also show it to your children. They enjoy it when they see the coins, different coins. So start collecting the coin and be a numismatic person. Thank you.